Hello, welcome to my session, Craw Security. So this is my third session. In this session, we will discuss about these commands. I am Satish Sharma, so I will discuss all of these commands. So what is the head command? What is the use of tail command? What is WC? What is the use of tab? Because Linux support also the tab format. So what is the use of backslash? How to use the backslash? And what is the use of history? In Linux, we use the commands. These commands will perform its basic function. And to perform the advanced function, we can use options. Because as we know that the options are used to change the behavior of the command. Then we will put the argument. And what is the use of argument? So this is the syntax of any command. First we type the command, then we type the options. In the end, we type the argument. Argument means what we want to perform. Suppose we want to create a user and we want to perform any task. So we can give here. And we want to filter and we want to change the behavior of this particular command. So we can use options also. We can use with WC command, history command. So mostly the commands have the options that are used in the Linux. So first I will show you the head command, then I will tell you about the tail command. Head is another command, tail is also another command. And every particular command has its own option. So I will show you this practically. So I will perform this command. So what is head? Head means it will show the starting line. By default, it will show me 10 lines from any file. Then we can also use tail command. Head and tail, both are used. Head, it will show me the 10 lines from the starting. And we want to check the last line, last 10 lines. So we can use tail command. So what is the use of head command? Show 10 lines from any files from starting. So it will show me the lines. So I will show you. This is the file. In this file, when we type this particular command, it will show me the 10 lines from the starting. And in this, when we use some options like and when we perform to, so what it will show me? It will show me only 2 lines. This one. So this option is used to filter only 2 commands from the starting. It will show only 2 commands from the starting. And do we want to check more? Suppose we want to display more than 10 commands, 10 lines. So we can check. So now it will show me the lines, more than 10 lines. So it will show me. So head command is used to check the lines from the starting. By default, it will show me 10 lines. When we use tail in front of any command, any file, not command, any file, 10 lines, it will show me from end, ending 10 lines. So when we use this one, so what it show me this. So this will show me the 10 lines. These are the 10 lines, and we want to change the behavior of this particular command. We can use options, and we want to perform last 4 users. I want to check last 4 users. It will display the last 4 users. Suppose we create another one, this one, user Craw Security, CRAW Craw Security underscore user. So this is my username. So I will check only this one. What I will do, so perform only this one, and we can also use this like when we not use -n option, it will also display me the same output. So we can use. We can perform more than 1 line, so it will show me more than 2 lines. So this is the use of head and tail command. So we can display the output of this particular file. So this file will show me the output of this. Now we will move to the another command. That is, we perform this particular command, this one, and we also perform this one also. And we want to perform this one. So what is WC? WC means word count. So how I will use this? WC means word count. And we want to check lines in this and words and characters. So we can check. So how I will check this? Type WC, then give the name of your file. So in this file, how many lines? 75. I will show you this. It has 70 lines or not. So it will show me the lines. How many users we have at this time? So I have 75 users in this particular file. So this is the way to check. It has 75 lines. And how many words in this? It has 138 words. And these are the characters. These are the letters in this file. And I want to display only the lines. So what I will use? We can use L option. And we want to check the word only, this one. So what I will do? We can use W. So W is used to check how many words in this particular file. We can also use -C. This will show me the last. This is characters. So this will show me the characters from this particular. So like this particular way, we can use this particular. So WC means word count. We can check how many words in a file, how many lines in a file, and how many characters in a file. So this is a WC. Then I will perform this one. What is the use of tab? So tab is used to provide the help for any user. Suppose any user forget the command, whole command, but he recognize some of the part, starting part, so he can use. Suppose we want to create a user. So what I will do, we will perform user add command, but I don't know what is the command. But I know that is started from USR. Yeah, or we can say that it start from U. Then type 2 times tab. It will show me all the commands related to U. In this, we can check all the commands that started from the U. But I know that they start from S also. Then type 2 times tab again. So it will show me less command comparison to. So when we perform any command, and some of the part we will forget. So we can use this one also. User. Then when we perform this, it will show me the all the commands related to the user. User add, it will user add, user del, user format, user helper, user info, user mode, mount, passwd. So this will show me all the commands. So like this particular way we can use. Suppose we want to view the file get from the etc. Then we tap tab. It will auto complete the file name also. Then we want to check this particular file and then type the tab again. So it will automatically type the file name also. It will type the file name. It will show me the command related head. So we can use the tab. So tab is used to check the file name will automatically display and it will display the command. So like this particular way we can use tab. Then we will move to the another one. So what is the use of this backslash? And then at the end of this session, I will show you the use of history command. So what is backslash? I will show you. Suppose we want to check the output of this file. And the output of this file also, shadow file also, slash group. etc group we have shadow, G shadow. This one. So it will show me the all the output. But we want this in not a long formats. I want to perform this in a small parts. This is in a one part, this is in a one part, this is in another part. So like this way. So what I will do, I will show you. Suppose cat slash etc past. Then when we type backslash, it not perform this command. It will show me this option. Then we want to check the etc passwd. This one also. So this will help you to perform these all the lines as a single command. When this is the another line, when we perform etc, then again group. This is another line. So I can check all files like this slash etc. This is hosts. This one also. When we perform only enter, this will be ended. So this is the output of the last command, host, and this is the output of group command. Then I will show you. This is the output of passwd command. So this is the passwd. I will show you this. So this is the command. This is the way. So we can use this. I will show you this by another example. Suppose we want to create some folders. The folders name are dir11. It will be create. Then we want to create more than 2 folders like this. dir22. Then give the another folder name dir33 and give another name dir4. When we only enter, this is the last command. It means when we place this, this will move to another line. When we place this will move to this line. So this will move to the another lines when we end the session of this particular command. So we can check the files, the directories are created or not. So we can check all your directories will be created. So this one is used like this particular way to sort the commands in different lines. So this will treat these lines as a single command because we perform the command in a single line, not different lines. So this will treat this as a single line. So this is the use of this particular, and I will move to the last one command of this particular session. So what is history? How many commands we have performed in this particular terminal? So we can use history. So these are all the commands that I have covered. I will show you this one command, and these are all the commands. So history will show you all the commands that I performed in my terminal, this particular terminal. When we type history in this terminal, it will show me how many in this. You can check. This has different, but this has different. Because every session has a different history database. So we can use this. And we want to save these all the history database. So what I will do, we can use greater than sign, then give the name of the file where you want to save all the files. Commands list. So all the command will be placed in this particular file. You can also check this. So how many commands we have? 1, 8. So this will show. So thank you. In this session, I will cover only these topics. In next session, I will cover the another. So I will show you how to use head command, tail command, wc command, tab uses, backslash, and thank you so much.